Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. My name is Colonel Joseph, and from the headline we are going to create a Deriv/binary account and show you the process of how you can start trading with it. And just to remind you, you want to stick to the end of this video because I'll be giving out tips on how to improve your trade or to simplify your trade and make cash quicker and easier. So what we're going to do is first click on create a free demo account, and when we get to this page you have the option of using your own email, or you can select your Google account and jump in with it. But for this example we are going to pick on our Google account. And it's loading. So when we get here we are going to pick one of our accounts. And as you can see, it's redirecting us, and boom, and just like that we already have our demo account. Let's just block all this. And for the demo account, from what you're seeing here, we already have our virtual money in our demo account. With this you can use to check the markets, check the trends and all that. So this is not enough. What we are going to do now is click here, and what we want is to create a real account. What we are going to do is click on add, then this pop-up will generate. We are going to click on USD because that's the currency we are going to be using in withdrawing and making our deposit. So we are going to click on next. Then here is where we put our details. So I'm going to pick on Salim, like that. Details of birth, let's just pick a random year. Let's pick on this one. Let's just pick a random date, and I hope 4th of May 1994. So here you have to pick a number. Let me use I'm going to hide my numbers, but let me use my WhatsApp number. So here, that's it, and this is the number that you're going to be using to making your deposits and all that, but you can put any other number. Then click on next. Address, just input any address. Second line, that's not much important. Province, let's select Nairobi and click on next. So here is where now you get to identify yourself, how you want to be identified. You can choose alien card, of which I don't know what that is. You have your national ID and passport. So when you select on passport, you get to input your ID number. Then on the next page, let me just input here, and we are going to continue. Let's have let me just input a random number, 21, 37, just like that. Let me see. Yep. Then you just click on next. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions and all that. Click on add account. Then it's going to add your account. Now what you need to understand, let's just click on maybe later, and from here you can see we've already created our real account. Now Deriv.com, this is the broker account where which helps us in having our money. It's the trading platform, that is. Now you can, as it is, you can deposit and start trading. You're good to go because it has everything that you need here to trade. But what we trade on is called indices, and as you can see, these are indices. Here are the different kind of volatilities and all that. So you can decide on forex, stock indices, commodities and all that. You can decide to pick any of your choice to use in your account. Now we are going to head over to binary.com. binary.com. Nope, sorry, binary.com. Oh, my internet is gone. Just a minute, let me check on it, and let me check on my internet and see what's happening. Just a minute, guys. A minute, I check on my internet and I'll be back. So guys, we are still continuing with this. Sorry about that distraction. So my internet is restored, so we are going to click on maybe later. Then it's going to load up to here. Now what we are going to do is click on login, and here is where we are going to pick on Google. We are not going to use because we haven't created those details. So here what we are going to do is click on the email that we had used, and that is Sally. What it's going to do, it's going to integrate our Deriv account to binary account. Now the reason why we are using binary is because binary is going to help us connecting and linking our binary allows trading of bots. So bots are going to help you in simplifying your trades, and that's what I was saying earlier. So as you can see, this is our real account. We haven't deposited anything yet, and from the look of things here, when you look at this CR4715075, this is our real account, and when we come to Deriv, you can see the numbers match and link. So we've already integrated our Deriv and our binary. So what we've done today, basically we've created a Deriv and a binary account that enables us to trade. Now on the next video, we are going to do our deposits to this account, and when you want to deposit, you just come here at cashier, pick a way of deposit. We have you can see you can use your bank cards, and you can use deposit via agents, which is immediate. So you just come here to deposit, you pick your currency, you hit on continue, and here's where you can pick on an agent that will be of help to you. You can just click on example, this one. You can see it charges on deposit 2.5 and on withdrawals 4.5%. We have different ones. You can check on this one. It picks on 2% on both withdrawal and deposit. The two that I'm showing you are the ones I use mostly, and let's see if we have another one that I trust mostly. Let me see. Cashbot, here is another one. As you can see, it's the same. So what you do when you see a favorable agent that you want, you just come, select their number, contact them via WhatsApp, and they are going to help you in doing your deposits. So basically that's what we do. The next one, I'm going to lead you on the process of heading over to your trading account and how to go about it. So the simpler thing I wanted to tell you is the use of bots And as you can see here, we can use a